It's part of the human condition to not know what you have until you don't have it anymore. In 2017, I started having chest pains. The main artery in my heart was blocked. I was given a second chance, but I wasn't sure at what. I had to think about that for a while. Water's just always had this really calming effect on me. I was out ice fishing and listening to this podcast on simple, brilliant ideas. One of the things that occurred to me was that maybe I can do some good through my work at BASF. And that's really how the drip irrigation project started. With climate change, water is becoming very scarce in a lot of places where there's a lot of hungry people. This project is working to develop an irrigation system that's powered by the sun. Drip irrigation systems deliver water exactly where it's needed. This design, combined with our materials, are allowing this water to be pumped with 40% less energy than it was before, and that opens up huge areas of the world to farming. When you come that close to dying and then you don't, it shifted my perspective. There's an African proverb, we don't inherit the world from our parents, we borrow it from our children, and that's really the way I see it. We all have an impact, whether we know it or not. Now it's up to science and technology to solve this problem. And it's going to take willpower and commitment. I see that in a lot of people. It gives me hope. The only thing we have to change is everything.